Hello and welcome to the last episode of the Amatip AI video series. So, we've been able to walk you through the Amatip AI interface from starting your very first chat to mastering the image text extractor and our professional smart export options. You now have the full picture of how this intelligence layer can transform your daily workflow. At Amatip, we did not just build another tool, we built a digital co-pilot designed to give you back your most valuable asset, which is your time. Whether you're analyzing data patterns, creating content, or managing complex projects, you now have the power to move from ideas to execution faster than ever. Remember, you are not just a user, you are part of a community of visionaries who are choosing to work smarter. As you continue to explore the Amative Digital Box, don't hesitate to push the boundaries of what you can create. If you haven't registered yet, now is the time. Head over to the link in the description, create your account, and start your journey today. Thank you for joining me for this walkthrough. I am Amina and I can't wait to see what you achieve with Amatip AI. See you on the inside. Bye.